So question number 2. Here a 10 millimeter long awl pin is placed vertically in front of a concave mirror. A 5 millimeter long image of the awl pin is formed at 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. The focal length of this mirror is. Now the correct answer is B, but let us examine how it is. Now if you go for the magnification formula, we have to use two formulae here. One is called magnification formula and second is the mirror formula. Now magnification formula is, what is magnification? Magnification equation relates the ratio of the image distance and object distance to the ratio of the image height and object height. So if you see this formula, m is equal to height of image divided by height of object is equal to minus dA, that is distance of image from the mirror, and of course of object from the mirror. So now if we solve this, what we find, if we apply this relation here, now again we just go like this, hi upon h object is equal to, now this di is nothing but distance, that is called v. So we take here v, that is distance of between image and the mirror, divided by the distance between mirror and the object. So this becomes minus v by u. So if you see here, what is given to us is hi is given. It comes out to be, we solve this now. So it is minus 5 divided by 10. So again here v is given to us, that is the distance of the image from the mirror. So now we use it here. It becomes now minus, so minus 30 divided by u. So here if when we solve this, so I just bring it this side for your convenience. So it comes minus 5 by 10 is equal to, minus minus becomes 30 positive, so 30 divided by u. So in this case the value of u, now we just cross multiply this to solve this. So u is equal to so u minus into minus 5 is equal to 30 into 10. Of course all these are in centimeters, remember this, units are equally important. So u is equal to 300 divided by minus 5. So it comes out to be minus 60 centimeter. So now we get the value of u. We have to use mirror formula now. So value of u we have calculated minus 60. V is given to us. V was given minus 30 as we find in the statement. So 30 centimeter. So now use mirror formula. So this becomes 1 by minus 30 plus 1 by minus 60 comes out to be 1 by f, right? So we solve this mathematically for the value of f. So I just do it here. 1 by f is equal to, we take the LCM. LCM comes out to be 30 and 60, LCM is 60. So this becomes minus 3 to the 60, so minus 2, 60 into 1, that is 60, so minus 1, So this value comes out to be minus 3 by 60. So here again cross multiply this. So minus 3f is equal to 60. So f is equal to 60 divided by minus 3 is equal to minus 20. So hence the correct choice as we find in this sum is B, that is this correct choice is here B. So B is the right answer. You may pause this video and do the needful.